So shocker, my phone unfortunately died on me, so I couldn't film me in the market, but this is what we got. Hi guys, so it's almost 7 p.m. I managed to go to the market early in the morning, and I managed also to get at least whatever I had planned to get. Most of these things are probably going to last us a month, if not more. So let me just start by showing you what I got, and then we can start by cleaning them, and then I'll put them somewhere separately to just drain the water, and then they'll be put in the fridge tomorrow because it's at night and I don't think the water will have drained enough before we sleep. Hi. Hey, mama umefanyia nini lipstick yangu? Hi. Mami. Yeah? Haifanyi? Inazunguka tu. Twende mama. Kwa? Oh, ndio mama amekuja.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hiya, bye.
Hiya, bye-bye.
Bye.
Chia. So let's get on with it. So first of all, I got some eggs. I got 2 trays this time around, and I got them from the market. I usually don't buy eggs when I go to the market, but this time I did. I also got some carrots over there. So I also managed to get some ndumas, some washes. I brought 2 types. I bought the red one and the white one. I cannot tell the difference between the white one and the red one. I don't know which one is usually yellow. I like the yellow ones, I don't like the white ones. So I just bought the 2 this time to intentionally try and see which one is sweeter and which one is yellow. So yeah, I got these 2. I also managed to get some very sweet and soft apples. Ella cannot eat the usual kawaida apples because for some reason they are hard for her, so she can bite but she ends up just spitting it out. So I got these soft ones. I also got some avocados. These ones are completely unripe, but I got some hash avocados that are already ripe, so these ones are the ones we're going to start with. I also got some oranges, some green maize for githeri, some sweet bananas for us, of course, for making smoothies. And then I also got some very nice looking danias. These ones, this is a bunch. This bunch costed me 30 shillings. When you go to the market, you really get very nice danias. So the trick with danias really is just knowing how to store it. So when you know how to store it, you can afford to buy a big bunch like this one. This one can last us for at least 2 weeks. So yeah, that's it. There are a couple of things here that I need to unpack, so let me just turn the camera and then we can do that from this side. So I also got some cabbage as usual. These ones I'm going to remove these extra leaves, slice them in 2, and my friend, a friend of mine, taught me and told me that if you want your cabbage to last longer and to stay fresh, you wrap it in cling film. So that is what we're going to do. I got 2 pieces of cabbage. This I got some green bell peppers and yellow bell peppers and some courgettes, but these ones I bought them because the lady who sold them to me was really nice, but unfortunately she had very small courgettes, but I bought them either way. I also got some nyanyas, which I can see unfortunately some are not very in a very good state, so I got nyanyas. Now I managed to get someone with slightly bigger courgettes. I like big courgettes, that's why I prefer to go to the market, because the ones that are sold at home normally are very tiny, and I just have a problem with small things. Anyway, so courgettes. Also got some onions. Just put it on here. And some more tomatoes. I also got this. This is called tomoko. I don't know what it's called in English, but they're very, very sweet when they're ripe. So I just got one of this. And I also got some celery. So, oh, and also got some peas. This is what I got. These ones you just remove them, parboil them, and then freeze them. So basically that's it. Now I just want to start cleaning them, and then I lay them over the counter overnight. By morning they'll all have drained the excess water, and then they'll be put in the fridge. Whatever needs to be wrapped in the clean film will also be done. So let's start cleaning. The eggs that I got were so big they couldn't fit in the egg tray. So this is what is remaining. The ngwashes and the mas are going to be washed tomorrow before they are cooked. The carrots also are just going to be stored. The fridge is a bit cluttered, so I'm just going to let my nanny do that tomorrow, and then yeah, we are done for the day. So this is how they're going to stay overnight. Drain all the water, then hopefully by tomorrow around 10 they're going to be put in the fridge. Good morning guys. So today is on Saturday and we are going to clean and reorganize the fridge. So let's begin. are some fruits I got from Capo. I decided to freeze them. This is chopped up celery. This is a mixture of cucumber, celery, and some spinach. This is turmeric, garlic, and what is it called? And tangawizi. Let me just wipe up the containers a little bit before I put them back. These ones are expressed oranges that I squeezed and put them in my silicone ice maker and put them in cheese like this. Yeah, so we're done with the top part. Now let's go to the bottom. I'm going to clean the outside of the fridge when I'm done with the inside. And I also need to redo this. These were the menus that we have been using. I need to do an update and at least a slightly better paper. I plan to buy something more presentable. I don't know where I'm going to get it, but I'll just buy it soon. These are green bell peppers. We got some of avocados from the market when we went to the store, and my mom also sent me some, so I have a lot of avocados. I forgot to put this back. These are my cultures. This one is for my zio mala. This one is for strawberry yogurt, and this one is for vanilla yogurt. is how we store our cabbages. And this is how I store my ginger, in a plastic bag in the vegetables cabin. It stays fresher and crispier for longer. Same goes for carrots.